Welcome to my channel. MyWiFiExt.net Setup Page Login Step-by-Step Guide. Step 1. Plug in your Netgear extender. Insert your Netgear Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait until the power LED turns solid green or white before continuing. Step 2. Connect to the extender. On your phone, laptop, or tablet, open the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, such as Netgear_EXT. Step 3. Open a web browser. Launch any browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Make sure your device is connected to the extender's Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Visit MyWiFiExt.net. Type MyWiFiExt.net into the browser's address bar and press Enter. If the page doesn't load, try using the extender's default IP address instead. Step 5. Log into the setup page. If you're setting up the extender for the first time, create an admin account. If it's already configured, enter your existing username and password. Step 6. Choose your home Wi-Fi. The extender will scan for nearby wireless networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Step 7. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Type your existing Wi-Fi password carefully, then click Next to let the extender connect to your router. Step 8. Customize the extended network. You can keep the same Wi-Fi name as your router or create a different network name to easily identify the extended connection. Step 9. Finish the setup. Wait a few minutes while the extender saves the settings and restarts. Do not unplug the device during this process. Step 10. Move the extender to its final location. Place the extender halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Connect your devices to the extended network and test your internet connection. Thanks for watching.